If you want to improve your technical analysis and understand price movements using time and price relationships, then the Gann box is a powerful tool you should learn. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to draw a Gann box on Tradingview in a simple and beginner-friendly way. First, open Tradingview and log into your account. Once you're on the chart screen, select the asset you want to analyze. This could be a stock, crypto, or forex pair. Make sure you choose a time frame that suits your strategy, like 1 hour, 4 hours, or daily. Now, look at the left toolbar on the chart. This is where all drawing tools are located. Click on the Tools menu and scroll until you find the Gann Tools section. From there, select the Gann box option. Once selected, your cursor will change, allowing you to draw on the chart. Next, click on a significant low or high point on the chart. This will be your starting point. Then, drag your mouse to another point, usually a recent high or low, to create the Gann box. The box will automatically appear with diagonal lines inside it, representing different Gann angles. Now let's understand what you're seeing. The Gann box divides price and time into equal parts, helping you identify support, resistance, and potential trend directions. The diagonal lines act as dynamic support and resistance levels. If the price respects these lines, it may continue in that direction. If it breaks them, it could indicate a trend change. You can also customize the Gann box by clicking on it and opening the settings. Here, you can adjust angles, colors, levels, and visibility according to your preference. This helps you make the tool clearer and more useful for your analysis. One important tip is always to draw the Gann box from major swing highs and lows. This makes your analysis more accurate. Also, practice using it on different time frames to understand how it behaves in different market conditions. So, in simple words, drawing a Gann box on Tradingview is easy. Select the tool, choose a starting point, drag to another point, and analyze the angles and levels. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple trading tutorials. See you in the next video.